In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Blueprint in Wrike. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn an existing project into a blueprint and where to go to find and manage that blueprint later. Let's start from your main Wrike workspace, looking at the project you want to reuse in the future. A blueprint in Wrike is basically a reusable project template. It lets you keep the structure, tasks, and dependencies of a project, so you don't have to rebuild everything from scratch each time you run a similar project. First, locate the specific project you want to turn into a blueprint in your space. Move your mouse over that project's name. On the right side of the project row, or next to the project title, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This opens a drop-down with several options related to that project, such as sharing, duplicating, or archiving. From that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Save as Blueprint. Go ahead and click on Save as Blueprint. Wrike will now create a blueprint version of this project, preserving its structure. Depending on your settings, you might be prompted to confirm or adjust the name of the blueprint. It's a good idea to give it a clear, descriptive name, especially if you plan on creating multiple blueprints for different types of work. Once it's saved as a blueprint, the next step is to find where that blueprint lives inside Wrike. To do that, you'll need to go to your space settings. At the top of your Wrike workspace, find the name of the space where this project is located. Click on the space name to open the space menu, then select the option called Space Settings. This will take you to a dedicated settings area for that specific space. Inside the space settings, look for a section or tab labeled Blueprints. Click on Blueprints. This is where all the blueprints associated with this space are stored. Here, you'll be able to see the blueprint you just created from your project. From this area, you can open the blueprint, review its tasks, and use it as the starting point for new projects whenever you need to repeat that same workflow. And that's all you need to do. Open the project menu, save it as a blueprint, then go into space settings and open the blueprint section to find and manage it.